Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Yeah, the image on your screen is actually something that is rumored to actually come out. So, Apple is working on its new combined HomePod and Apple TV. Yeah. This is something, guys. So, if you guys have seen the recent Apple TV launch, it has been quite lackluster, let's be honest. Nothing too crazy special, nothing too crazy insane. And there's a reason why. Because right now it's rumored that they're going to add a new production to the Apple TV lineup, and that's going to be the HomePod and Apple TV combined together. I don't know how I mean, listen, okay? Let me put it like this, okay? I'm not going to shoot down the idea right away. The reason why is because of the fact we have seen the same concept happen with other devices by other manufacturers. So this is not a first thing first for Apple. I mean, we've seen, I think it was Samsung, I believe I want to say, that actually had the similar concept where it's like it's like Google did, right? They have like, you talk to Google and you can say video chat blank and there's a little screen. You can see exactly you're video chatting. It's the same concept. So this is nothing too new, but what's interesting about this is going to be the successor of the HomePod and the Apple TV lineup. Does this mean we're not going to get any more Apple TVs moving forward? I don't know. I've not looked into the sales of the Apple TV. I don't think the Apple TV sale-wise is too crazy amazing. I mean, I know a lot of people do love the Apple TV. There's like a niche market for it, but I don't think it's like the majority of people. I think there's probably going to sell more iMacs, or they're going to sell more MacBooks than they are going to the Apple TV, obviously. The price tag resembles, how much it's actually worth to Apple. But the report suggests that given a fairly minor update to the Apple TV 4K that announced last month, the new combined HomePod devices represent a much more significant advancement in the Apple TV product lineup. Has also explained in the past that Apple was exploring a future high-end HomePod speaker that could include an iPad connected via robotic arm that tracks and follows users around the room. Apple was planning to release an updated HomePod in 2022 as a successor to the 2017 HomePod, but these plans were apparently shelved after the larger HomePod was outright discontinued. The company appears to be focusing on a new combined HomePod Apple TV product instead. Yeah, like I said, they did shelve, obviously, the HomePod. I don't... It's almost like a joke at this point, but this is something that I could see Apple doing. And again, like I said, the reason why is because, again, this has been done by other companies. And Apple, you guys know Apple. I love Apple. I have an iPhone. I have AirPods right here. I have, a MacBook, a Mac Mini over there, a MacBook over here. I love Apple. I have everything Apple. At the end of the day, though, this is what they do. This is what they do. They release stuff like this later on once everyone else has released their stuff throughout the year, and this is stuff that Apple just does. And again, I'm not saying it's a bad thing by any stretch of the imagination. This is just what Apple likes to do, and it's what Apple does. So I'm interested to see how this ends up going through production and what ends up coming out with it. But let's just talk about some specs we could expect to see with this device. Now, again, these are all my speculations. These are not reports. These are not leaks. These are my speculations. I want to make sure I clear that up so people understand. All right, so first off, my price, I'd say I'd market this at, if I was Apple, and I think Apple will market this at, because it does come with an iPad-like screen connected to the HomePod, my guess would be $350. Probably $350 for this device. That puts it below the iPad mini price tag and above the Apple TV. So it's that nice little in between, type of, okay market area, right? Second thing, what this battery life obviously would be plugged into the wall, so there wouldn't be a really issue with battery life. I could see maybe they add a portable battery to it that you can charge and take this on the go, because again, like I said, I know a lot of people are more, portable nowadays, mobile nowadays. They don't want to just sit down and be stuck to one thing. They want to be moving around and doing stuff. So maybe something you're not like, tethered to just your kitchen or your living room. You can actually move around with it, especially because it is a device that you're video chatting on. And I feel like if it's kind of like more of an iPad S type design, you don't want to be kind of just tethered on. Now, again, like I said, this is speculated to come out in 2022 when, again, the HomePod, the new HomePod was supposed to come out, but got discontinued. So most likely come out 2022, maybe end of this year if they can work production faster. But right now, like I said before, everything is getting pushed back because of the virus. And what we saw with the iPad mini, the new iPad minis, they got pushed back for that same reason. So again, I'm not expecting this to come out anytime soon. Tell me down below though, guys, would you buy this? First off, question 1, okay? Would you buy this? Question 2, what would you pay for it? At what price tag would you say, okay, I'm going to consider buying an iPad HomePod combined together? At what price tag would you actually say, I consider taking this step? My personal opinion, I'm saying $280. If it's above $280, I'm saying no. I know Apple is probably going to put it above $280, but my personal opinion, I said anywhere from like $250 to $300, I'm okay with, and that's my max. That's me personally, guys. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, though, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.